Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Boof. And I am late. Between our trip and the ensuing Ebola Jamaican virus that my wife decided to come home with and share, our Christmas presents are late. In an attempt to make up for this huge catastrophe, I'm going to reshare the recipe for Aunt Fran's famous peanut butter fudge with you. We did this before several years ago, but it's a classic, never goes out of style. And since I'm making batches and batches today, might as well show you. Come on, super simple. Come closer, my friend. Come closer. You're looking at it. I'm gonna start with 2 sticks of butter and get that melted down. At this point, I just play with the butter in the pan. It's a thing. Let's get you a little bit faster and get this melted. Now we're gonna add 1/4 cup of milk. And the peanut butter. The recipe will work with either creamy or crunchy peanut butter. I'm using creamy. Calls for 2/3 of a cup. That's more like a cup. Don't judge. Let's get that well and combined. Would you like to come closer? Once your peanut butter is melted in there, like such, you can turn your heat down, which was on medium, to low. And we are going to add 2 pounds of powdered sugar. I don't recommend adding it all at once. We're going to do that in 2 stages. At this point, your arm's about to fall off. Just keep going. The very last step, vanilla. That's a tablespoon. At this point, you could also add in any chopped nuts, chocolate chip pieces, maple flavoring. But here at LeBoof, we're traditionalists. That's the end of the recipe. Going to press that into the bottom of a pan, let it set up, and she's done. That's it. Tried and true. A couple of notes. I use real butter. I think it tastes better. I use generic peanut butter. Haven't noticed a difference. All your add-ins, not necessary, or spice it up. I've never heard anybody complain. Now, I've only got about 9 more batches of this to make. so we can go to the mailbox tomorrow. But thanks for joining. Check out our finished product. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will catch you guys next time. Bye. Don't come here for a straight line.